Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the latest GLM 5.1 model on openclaw. First, go to your File Explorer and navigate to the C: drive. Scroll down and look for the Users folder. Open it, then enter the folder for the username where you installed openclaw. Once inside, open the openclaw folder. Find the file named openclaw.json, which controls the model used in openclaw. Right-click it, select Open With, and choose Notepad. Now delete all the settings currently in the file. Before you do this, make sure to save a backup of them in case you want to return to the default settings later. Next, paste the new settings into the file. I will provide a link to this file in the description box. Save your changes by pressing Ctrl+S. Now go to the search bar, find PowerShell, and run it as an administrator. Type in the following command, which I will also provide in the description. You will need to paste your actual API key here. To get it, go to the GLM 5.1 platform. Click on API key, then Create API key. Give it a name, and click OK. Copy the API key from there, go back to PowerShell, delete the placeholder text, and paste your key in its place. Press Enter. Now that the key for GLM 5.1 is entered, to start openclaw, type the command openclaw gateway. Press Enter. Keep that window running. Open a second PowerShell window as an administrator and type openclaw dashboard. Press Enter. It is now fully ready and using the GLM 5.1 model. You can see GLM 5.1 appearing here. Just select it. Let's perform a simple test. We'll type, "Hello, are you ready to help me with some code?" Press Enter, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. That is how you use the new GLM 5.1 model in openclaw. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.